Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and going straight to the View tab so you can change how the sheet looks and behaves. Once there, inspect the ribbon groups, workbook views, show, freeze panes, and zoom. Make sure you have the window large enough to see all options. This prevents accidental clicks. You will use these groups to switch modes, toggle interface elements, and lock rows or columns. Now that you're on the View tab, you're ready to pick the initial view change. You now change the active view. Click Normal for editing, Page Layout to see printed pages, or Page Break Preview to arrange breaks. Once done, toggle grid lines and headings to remove visual clutter for presentations or restore them for data entry. Make sure to set Zoom or choose Fit to Selection when you need precise on-screen scale. This helps when aligning content for printing. If working with multiple windows, use Arrange All. You finish by locking the parts of the sheet you need visible. Select a cell and choose Freeze Panes or create splits to examine distant sections simultaneously. Once satisfied, save a custom view so you can return to this configuration quickly. Make sure macros or filters aren't interfering before saving. If the view doesn't behave, frozen rows missing, zoom stuck, try resetting the window size, turn off split, then close and reopen the workbook. This simple restart fixes most interface glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.